Love and unity in the heart of Libya. Once upon a time, in the heart of Libya, there was a small village nestled in the vast desert. In this village lived a young man named Omar and a beautiful woman named Fatima. They were from different tribes, Omar from the Berber tribe and Fatima from the Tuareg tribe. Despite their differences, they fell in love at first sight during the annual Gadamis festival. Their love was strong, but their tribes had a long-standing rivalry. The elders of both tribes forbade them from seeing each other, but Omar and Fatima's love was too strong to be broken by tribal boundaries. They would secretly meet under the ancient palm tree, sharing stories, dreams, and laughter. One day, the village was threatened by a severe drought. The wells dried up and the crops failed. The villagers were desperate. The elders said that only a sacrifice offered to the spirit of the desert could save them. Hearing this, Omar and Fatima decided to offer their most precious possession, their love. They went to the elders and confessed their secret love. They promised to give up their love if the spirit of the desert would save their village. Moved by their selflessness, the elders agreed. They performed the sacred ritual, and Omar and Fatima promised to part ways. As they said their goodbyes, the sky darkened and rain began to fall. Their sacrifice had saved the village. But the spirit of the desert, touched by their love and sacrifice, decided to bless them instead of separating them. The spirit appeared before them and told them that their love had not only saved their village, but also ended the rivalry between their tribes. From that day forward, Omar and Fatima were allowed to be together, and peace reigned between the Berber and Tuareg tribes. Their love story became a legend in Libya, reminding everyone of the power of love and the importance of unity.